Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the cardiac cycle. In the last video we have discussed about the different chambers or compartments of the heart. As we already discussed, this is the right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. The auricles are the receiving compartment. The right atrium receives the blood from superior vena cava from the upper parts of the body. The inferior vena cava receives the blood from the lower parts of the body. This is the deoxygenated blood that is comes into the right atrium. And the one we already discussed, the coronary sinus, that also bring the blood from the heart muscles, the deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. And the left auricle receive the blood from the lungs. These are the pulmonary vein. The two pulmonary veins bring the oxygenated blood into the left atrium. The blood vessel that carry the blood from right ventricle to the lungs. This is the pulmonary artery. The two lungs are there, so each pulmonary artery carry the blood to the respective lung. And the aorta that emerges from the left ventricle carry the oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body. It is divided here, the subclavian, carotid, and provide the blood to the different parts of the body, oxygenated blood. Now we discuss the working of the heart. The heartbeat, we know the heart function is pumping. During pumping, it contracts or relax. The contraction phase is called systole and the relaxation phase is called diastole. So the heart contract, relax, systole, diastole, systole, diastole. So this process occur in a rhythmic manner. So when the first event is auricular systole, the cardiac cycle, one heartbeat, one cardiac cycle complete in 0.85 second. So during cardiac cycle, first the auricle contract, atrium contract, both the auricle contract together. And from the auricle, the blood comes into the ventricle, respective ventricle. And from here, the blood goes to the pulmonary artery and aorta. So first event is auricular systole, auricular systole. When the auricular systole is there, here the valve is present, here also the valve is present. So both the wall of Eustachian and the wall of Sebaceous, both the valve are closed. And here the blood comes into the ventricle. So first we discuss the auricular systole. During the auricular systole, here the auricles, the blood is deoxygenated, and here the oxygenated blood comes in through the vena cava and the coronary sinus, and from the lungs it comes into the pulmonary vein into the left auricle. So the first event, the pulmonary, the blood pumped into the respective lungs, into respective ventricles. Right atrium transport the blood to the right ventricle, and the left atrium transport it to the left ventricle. This is the tricuspid wall, this is the bicuspid wall. So the blood through these wall comes into the ventricle, respective ventricle. Next, the left and right AV wall. Right atrioventricular wall, left atrioventricular wall open. So the blood comes into the ventricle. Next, the valve of Eustachian and valve of Thibaudius means the valve of inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus close. Next, the valve of pulmonary artery. Valve of pulmonary artery. This one. Pulmonary, the valve of opening of, sorry. The opening of pulmonary vein closes. Opening of pulmonary, this is the pulmonary vein and superior vena cava. I already discussed these blood vessels do not contain the wall. As the auricle contract, they contract, they closes by themselves. For example, this is the pulmonary artery, superior vena cava and pulmonary vein. When the auricle contract, this opening is automatically contract. So these opening are closes by their wall itself. So the opening of pulmonary vein and the superior vena cava. Superior vena cava closes. So these are the events take place during the auricular systole. And the auricles contract, the blood comes into the ventricle. So ventricle diastole. So next event is also there, the ventricle diastole. And these events, auricular systole, are included in auricular systole, and these auricular systole takes the time only for 0.1 second. I repeated these events, the superior vena cava and the pulmonary vein opening or closes, ventricles are diastole, atrioventricular walls are closes, the left next the valve of Eustachian and the Thibaudius are closes, the opening of pulmonary and the blood pumped into the respective ventricles. Now the second event is ventricular systole. When the ventricle systole, the atrioventricular wall closes, the pulmonary semilunar wall, aortic semilunar wall open. So now the ventricular systole. The ventricular systole takes a time of 0.3 seconds only. So the events are, number 1, AV wall. AV wall included tricuspid and bicuspid both. Wall closes. Closed with a sound, closes with a sound lub sound. We also call the lub or we call it lub. So the atrioventricular wall when closes they make a sound lub. When the heartbeat is measured, we listen the two sounds lub and dub that we discuss now also. The lub sound is produced. Next, the first sound is lub is produced. Next event, the semilunar wall. The semilunar wall that are present at the base of pulmonary artery and aorta open. And the next is the auricle diastole. Auricles diastole. Auricle diastole, when the blood comes into here, it relaxes. Auricle diastole. So the ventricle auricle contract, the blood comes into the ventricle, the semilunar walls are open and the atrioventricular walls are closed. And the sound is produced is love. It takes the time 0.3 second. Now the ventricle diastole is there, auricle systole is there. When the blood comes into here, so it relaxes, and it is already in relaxes means all the chambers are in relaxed condition and all the chamber are diastole. We call this event is joint diastole when all the chambers are relaxes. So now last event is joint diastole. It takes the time 0.4 second. So 0.4, 0.1 and 0.3 all when we add the time is 0.8 second. 0.8 second. So now we discuss the joint diastole. When the joint diastole is there, all compartments are relaxes. Means two auricles and two ventricles are relaxes. Here the semilunar wall. Semilunar wall closes. Next, the producing the second sound dub or dup. Dub or dup is the same thing. When the semilunar wall closes, the ventricles are diastole, auricles are diastole, joint diastole is there. The second sound, the dup is produced. And the blood keeps coming in the auricles. Blood keep coming in the auricles, and the ventricles are also remain in the diastole. So this is the joint diastole, semilunar wall closed. The second heart sound is produced, dup sound. So keep this point in mind. When the lub is produced, atrioventricular wall closes. When the dup sound is produced, semilunar wall are closed. So this event take place in the 0.8 second. Just remain aware about it. The auricle systole only for the 0.1 second. And the diastolic condition is remain for the longer period. Longer period 0.3 and 0.4 means the 0.7 second it remain in the diastolic condition. The contraction is only for the 0.1 second. Now the cardiac cycle is over. Now we discuss the lub and dup sound in detail. The lub and dup sound. The lub sound is produced due to the contraction of left and right atrioventricular wall, AV wall, and the ventricular systole is there. Ventricular systole is there. The atrioventricular walls are closed. And here the semilunar wall, both the semilunar wall, pulmonary semilunar, aortic semilunar valve closes at the time of ventricular diastole. Ventricular diastole. It produces the less sound and it produces the louder sound. And for a lesser duration, the left sound is remain or produce for a longer duration. For a longer duration, and the dup sound is remain for the shorter duration. And the time take this is also called, the love sound is also called S1, and the duck sound is called S2. So these are the events take place during the love and up sound. When the cardiac cycle is over, when the heartbeat is there, the contraction of atrioventricular wall, the contraction closes of atrioventricular wall, the closes of semilunar wall, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole, less sound, louder sound, the duration is long and the shorter duration. Now we discuss the cardiac output, stroke volume and the heart rate.